but they still have here. There's still Bicho Camelo. Yes. I'm eating the ridge. Ah, water hen. Ito yung ano nila, Jurassic Park. It looks like Jurassic Park. You are not allowed to touch anything. Yes, over there, there's another. I don't know if it is a duck. There, a duck.
Way over, a
Yeah,
duck.
a duck.
Yes, a duck.
Yeah.
And another bin chicken there.
And they call water chicken. Oh, there's Lily there.
Rainforest.
Rainforest. Oh, look. May ano dito, gabi. Pero hindi naman nila kinakain. Yan. I cannot take this
No,
because I want to
you
plant.
cannot take this.
Ah, this is Lily?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Lily.
Everything here stays here.
Oh,
Not allowed to
but
take.
I want to take here. Dito kami sa wetland swamp. Oh, oh.
See the yellow?
Yes, ayan. Pasyal-pasyal pagka may time. So this is the wetlands of Warriewood or swamp.
Wetlands.
Many wild is living here.